I'm very glad to be in this very lovely event where the Yemeni identity is not only special but also the act of giving to support the Palestinians. Two forces, the Yemeni culture and the Palestinians, come together, led by very innovative Yemeni women.
So I'm Kazlam, a British Yemeni fashion designer, and I combine Yemeni culture with British streetwear. So here I have some ready-to-wear things like t-shirts and jumpers. So these are all printed t-shirts and embroidery and screen-printed jumpers that I'm selling today.
We have the Yemeni thob, the khanjar, and you've got here qamis. This is the traditional dress from Al-Hudaydah. Sabri traditional dress from Taiz. We move here to the sitara and maqam, and it's from Sana'a. To the left here, Sheba, specialized in coffee.
Today we're offering at Palestine House. Sheba Coffee is offering our different ranges of coffee from Yemen. So please come support Yemeni farmers and come check out what we're all about. We have 3 different ranges and we've got the gift boxes as well. So you can come try out different varieties. We're based here in London. We all live here and we bring the green coffee beans from Yemen to London to then roast them here.
So this is all work by a Yemeni woman, Nouria Naghi. My colleague set up the organization in 2003. Originally it was about children education, and very quickly she saw that she needed to involve the mothers of the children, and so she started teaching them embroidery as a means to sustain the children education. It's all handmade in Sana'a, in Yemen, and we're delighted to be presenting them here in London.
We've got some lovely qamariyas here, and we had a nice workshop upstairs that took place, who was by Abir al-Ibbi. This is an example of what qamariya looks like back in Yemen.
Now I want you to do your design. You have a few designs in front of you, but you can choose your own one, or if you want to draw something similar, and choose the color, what you want to color as well.
Showing you some of the outcomes here of this great work. I love it.
Thank you.
So nice. I think next time we'll do like 4 hours, 5 hours of this workshop. This is our business, maswan.uk. So what we do, we use Yemeni traditional fabric, and I design them in a modern way, and we decorate them with silver and stone, which is murjan. We have abayas, we have the maswan design, we have blazers and each fabrics. We do have the new collection, the handmade bags, using maswan and sitara fabric, and decorated them with the murjan and silver. Can I say this is my favorite spot? The food, with, of course, Ola pinch of Yemen. Everything is originally made all the way from Yemen to aqiq, hajar, fidda, and the silvers, both female and male.
A very, very long time ago, in a land far away, there was a kingdom called Sheba.